Hello again, lovelies. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Trace Jolie Kit Club design team layout. So I have the scrapbooking kit, which I will be designing with, and I have the mixed media kit, which I'm going to use because, well, I want to. So we've got some texture paste and all of this fun stuff over here in a stencil, which I'm going to use for this really big, I mean, this thing is like hard. So I'm going to go ahead and create something fun with this photo here, right? We have all these beautiful colors. And I think we'll pull that one in. And let's see. What do we have as far? As so we're gonna mat the photo with this. We're gonna use that. Is there any like do some fussy cutting to get some embellishments because I'm out of those. All right. Okay. I'm just like trying to figure some stuff out. So we got all that. We're going to mix these Pearl X powders in with the texture paste. Let's get something to put on that. Can I just use the rest of that? Is that even gonna cover? Oh man, just scraps the bone, scraps. What if, oh, this right here, we go. I bet it's gonna be, yeah. So we're gonna use this side. I'm gonna cover that. And we got these really cool gems to use as well. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get this, put on here, right? So we're gonna go for it. We're gonna glue her down. So I'm gonna go straight to the edge. We're going to hang this up or give it to my mom. She likes weird things like this. So I'm just going to keep doing this. So this is art glitter glue. It is going to hold phenomenally. Just got to make sure we get enough on there. Okay. Boop-a-doop-a-doop. So if you guys have not checked out this kit club, oh, please do. It is such a beautiful curated kit club. Alright, so we're going to do that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my X-Acto knife and I'm just going to cut around. I'm going to mix up some texture paste with some of those colors and run it through the stencil and just create because the stencil is from Vintage Floral. That's backwards. That's weird. I wonder if that's how they're supposed to be because that's kind of cool. So it's the Frantic Stamper. So we're just going to get this put on here because let's just keep going with what we're doing here. Hold on. Let me just keep it up. So we're going to trim this. We're going to use this to frame our photo. So many ideas are like coming to my head every time I get a kit from Jolie. She's based out of Chicago, so home state of Illinois. What? Not that I'm excited about that because I'm not a big fan, but it's so hot in the Midwest. All right. So, where's my little scissors? All right, so what I'm going to do is we're going to come in and I'm just going to fussy cut around this, okay? Cut that out, and I'm going to use that to like frame this somehow. I'm going to figure it out somehow. But give me a minute to do all that and I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got this stuck in there. I've got this cute little guy cut out. We're going to do something like that. Not real sure. Got the texture paste that is translucent, so I'm going to put a little glob there. Split off. Right. Well, probably need, let's just make a whole bunch. Okay. I got the yellow. Grab my cute little spoon. In my experience, we're going to need to mix quite a bit. Do that one. And we're doing the brilliant yellow and the salmon pink. So well, just throw that over there, Becky. It's fine. That could have been too much, but you know what? I'm going with it at this point because you know how hard it's going to be to pick that up. So I am actually just using my Glass Studio mat to do all my mixing. So let's just go ahead and take this down here and see if we can get this all mixed in. I'm hoping it mixes together. It should fairly easily mix in there, right? Might have to add more paste. So what I was thinking is we've got this, and we're going to kind of set this right here. Okay. So we're going to do some mixed media work behind. So I'll just kind of bring this in just like so. And get this all nice and tucked in and around. Doo-doo-doo-doo. So hopefully this doesn't turn out to be one horrid mess. You know, it could. Just kind of run this all there. Okay, so we've got that going on there. That's kind of fun. And then we're going to fill the rest of it in with the pink, but I'm going to let, well, no, we're just going to go for it. We're just going to go for it, right? We're going to make a really, really big mess, and I can mix more colors as needed. So we know that over here you're not actually going to see very much. Pop that in. Just kind of whoop, pick that up there. Let's shuffle that around and come in over here. while I'm off screen. I apologize, you guys. So we're just gonna okay. We're gonna let that dry. Oh my goodness. So we want to make sure that we clean up these edges. Just kind of smear that right down there, right? Because it's okay, because you're not going to see any of that anyway. So we're going to let that dry, and then I'm going to come back and see what it looks like, and hopefully we can put this together. I'm going to clean this mess up, so I'll be right back. Alright, I got some other embellishments from a stash to go ahead and put on there, but I got this popped up on foam. How cute is that? And then I want to take these florals and just pop them on here as well. I'm thinking, yeah, it needs something up there. Okay, so we're gonna get those on there, and I'm gonna pull out some of these little crystals, and I'll be right back. So we've got our little butterflies. I had to take a picture for the blog, you guys. I totally forgot. Let's get this guy on here, and I'm using the majority liquid glue so that it holds up to the test of time. Let's put this guy up here. I'm trying to get everything done. I have a crop next weekend, and then the weekend after I think I'll be in Germany, so for a work trip. So let's see, these are the items that I pulled from my stash. So we need one of those, and that one, this one, and then we've got, so those, I'll put one of those little, okay. So we're going to come in and we're going to build a little cluster over here. I'm going to use the large ones. And these are huge. Okay, so then we're just going to come in and we're just going to build up these little flowers. I'd like to stick that guy. Yes. Okay, so that worked. Didn't know if it would. So let's go with this guy right down here. And then we're going to put this guy here. We'll drop that one there. Again, put a big dab of glue right on the little crystal, and I am placing my little dragonfly on there as well. Now that doesn't come with the kit. I just think it's super cute, and I needed more for this layout, right? Or project here. Oh, well. Okay. And let's make this one flying up, down. So that's kind of fun. So if you have the little bits and bobs, you can use those as like little standing points for them. But you guys, that's going to do it for my project today. Head on over to the Trace Jolie website, grab yourself some of these fabulous curated kits. They are gorgeous, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.